How to fix login error in Albert application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're facing any other kinds of login problems, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, click on iPhone Storage, scroll down and navigate yourself to the Albert application. Here's our Albert application. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login problems. However, if there's any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do leave them down in the comments below.